It's been a year and a half since a National Guard captain and doctor was hit and killed while riding his bicycle in St. Johns County. Tonight, his loved ones say that they haven't gotten justice as the driver was cited with a traffic violation and no criminal charges. Captain Troy Manns, MD, was taking part in the Sea-to-Sea adventure race, riding his bicycle from the Gulf Coast of Florida to St. Augustine Beach. I-Team investigator Vic Michelucci spoke with his fiancée, who was injured in the crash. She says the consequences have not been harsh enough.
Captain Troy Manns had so many qualities and accomplishments.
And just had a love for life, a love for people, and was making such an excellent doctor to his patients.
A former Marine turned father turned National Guard captain and emergency flight doctor. The 46-year-old fit in adventure trips in his free time and was with his fiancée and a friend on a 72-hour bicycle race across Florida from St. Petersburg to St. Augustine.
We were in the last 20-mile stretch of the race, and we were hit by a car going approximately 70 miles per hour.
The crash sent Trish Wilkinson and their friend Barbara Gilmore to the hospital with serious injuries. But sadly, it claimed Manns' life.
It was shocking. It's something that you never expect to happen. Physically, I had a lot of injuries to recover from, and mentally, the loss of losing someone unexpectedly, tragically. We were supposed to be getting married that February. However, we postponed it because of COVID and decided to get in shape and do this adventure race instead.
Wilkinson came back to Florida last week, testifying in a case against the driver, Jonathan Quick. State troopers found his Mustang hit the bicyclist from behind at 2:36 a.m. Investigators noted he stayed at the scene and called 911 and did not show signs of impairment. He told investigators he had not been drinking. A blood alcohol test taken 2 hours and 20 minutes later showed trace amounts of alcohol in his system with a BAC of 0.014. That's well below the legal limit.
As bikers, we took every precaution. We did everything safely.
Wilkinson says she and the other two cyclists had helmets, reflective gear, lights on the front and back of their bikes. FHP confirms that in the report. State troopers found the cyclists had been following the law and cited the driver, Quick, for 3 counts of careless driving and failure to give the right-of-way. In court for the traffic offenses, a judge found Quick guilty of failing to give the right-of-way, but dropped careless driving. The consequences, 12 hours of driver improvement school and $1,166 in fines. Quick has a history of driving infractions and an arrest for fleeing and eluding police in Flagler County. He pleaded no contest to that.
I'm very concerned that this is going to happen to someone else. And nothing that happened in the court system will keep keys out of his hand or will be any sort of repercussions.
Wilkinson says she doesn't feel justice, but she's going to work to cut down on dangerous and distracted driving to help other people on the road. I did reach out to that driver's attorney to get his side of the story, but she said they had no comment. I'm Vic Michelucci, Channel 4, the local station.